Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today's live event, we are going to talk about our WTL series of wall template levelers. We have 3 different versions, and I'm going to show you how to use them, and then we're going to also talk about our EBC 400 wall cutter and EBC 800 wall cutter. And I'll show you how these two work together. Before I go any further, please take a moment to like our Facebook page. Go to jonard.com/live to enter a contest to win our EBW-412 kit, which includes the EBC 400 and the WTL 12. Okay. I am Ed Scirbona, Senior Director of Engineering here at Jonard Tools, and with me today I have a whole crew. Okay, I have Mike running the production. I have Kylie setting up for Instagram and TikTok. I have Carmen over here who is probably going to help with some questions or comments, as well as Brenda over here who will probably field some questions and comments, and we'll probably be interacting. So with that, I'd like to get started, and the first thing I'm going to do is talk to you about the WTL series. So, WTL series, wall template leveler. What they are templates for you to use to ensure that you get the hole right every time for your single gang, double gang, triple and quad gang boxes. So, I have the WTL 12 here, which are good for your existing construction single and double gang boxes. We have a WTL 34, which is good for 3 and 4 gang boxes. I know they're not used that much, but the template is a big help. We also have a WTL 32M, which is great for existing construction metal boxes, 2-inch by 3-inch in size, so a metal box like this, okay? You see it has all these edges on here, and that's to help you cut out for your wall plate, screw. This box is gangable, so it has a screw over here, allows you to notch out for that. This one also has ears on the side and allows you to notch out for that. So a little bit more about the wall templates themselves. So they have 2 levels in them, one for vertical installation of the box, and the other one is for horizontal installation of the box, which might be used, the most thing I can think of is in kitchen applications up against a backsplash. I've seen that numerous times. Okay, the wall template leveler also has a rubber piece in the back that prevents the template from scratching a surface in case you're moving it around. You don't want to scratch the paint on an existing wall. It also, these rubber feet help secure it to the wall. It provides a little tackiness to it. The templates also have screws in them, there are holes in them that allow you to screw the template to a wall if you want to, so that you can have hands-free use. Maybe you're doing something else and just want it marked for reference. So it has that in it, and actually these holes reference the screws for the wall plate. So with that, the tool's very simple to use. Simply put it on the wall, level it, okay, draw it out. Now, little notch in here is for a single gang box, okay, and the entire plate represents the size of a double gang box, okay. And then, like I said, you could do this, level it for a horizontal box as well. So, with this, you're now pretty much ready to cut out your wall board here so that you can install your box. So the traditional way is use a jab saw. which I have done in other videos. And you see you're sitting there either pounding the jab saw or you're drilling pilot holes for you to do it. In any case, it's a pain in the neck. So what we have here that works with your typical oscillating multi-tool is our EBC 400 wall box cutter. So simple, easy to use. Place it onto the tool. I'm pretty much ready to go. I'm going to do a little demo here. Let me put on my safety glasses. And I'm just going to cut out this hole here for a single gang box. Just align it with your mark. And go. It's that simple. We also have it for double gang. I could go in, I could cut this as well, and you're all set, ready to go. It's literally that simple. And you saw how quick I was able to cut right through that. So with that, that is the EBC 400, EBC 800. I'd like to open up to the floor for any questions or comments that may come up. So, anybody, any questions, comments? Yes. Brenda, okay, Brenda has a question. She's going to throw it my way.
Would the EBC 400 work on the last plaster?
Okay, question was, would the EBC 400 work basically on a plaster wall? The answer is yes, it would. As long as the plaster wall doesn't have any of that chicken coop wiring behind it. If it's a lath plaster wall, the answer is a definite yes. It would cut right through it. Any other questions?
It says, will the EBC 400 tool work on fiberboard?
Okay, another question about the EBC 400, 800 as well. Would it cut through fiberboard? The answer really is no. It's too dense. If it did cut through it, I'm sure what would happen is the blades would be worn very, very quickly. Anything else?
Another one is, will the EBC cut paneling?
Ah, okay. Good question. I'm not sure if you're hearing it, so I'm repeating the questions. Question was, would the EBC series cut through paneling? The answer is it would cut through wood paneling, yes, because they're typically very thin, about an 1/8 inch or so in diameter, in thickness, but it definitely would not cut through any metal aspect, just like the reference to the plaster wall.
One of the viewers asked, are these just for plastic boxes?
Okay, question. The question, is that referencing the EBC?
It just says, are these just for, yeah, the...
Okay, all right, so the question being asked, are these just for the plastic boxes? The wall templates, the WTL 12 and WTL 34 are for the plastic existing construction boxes, like the ones I have here. The WTL 32M here is actually for a metal box, but there are many different sizes of metal boxes. It has to be for a 3x2 existing construction metal box. Okay. The EBC 400 and 800 here are really designed to follow the shape of the plastic boxes. So these are predominantly for the plastic boxes. Okay. Any other questions?
What oscillating tools does it work with?
Okay. Good. That's a normal question we get asked a lot. The EBC 400 and 800. The question is, what oscillating multi-tools do they work with? the EBC 400 and 800 are designed to work with most oscillating multi-tools because the connection is pretty universal. So you're a DeWalt, you're a Milwaukee, Craftsman. In my case, I'm using a Porter cable tool. They all have a universal design so that they all fit, doesn't matter which brand. Okay. Anything else? Anybody? Any other questions? Hold on, I think we have a comment coming in. One is,
Do we have a triple gang one?
do we have a triple gang multi-tool? No, box cutter? No, we don't. But you can use either the single or the double over it. So you can cut your first hole and just simply move it over and cut the remaining piece left with it. That there's no issue with. Great questions. I like that. Anything else?
Someone is asking how durable it is.
How durable these are? It's actually a reasonable question. They're very durable. They're made out of stainless steel. They are definitely rugged and durable and will last a long time. I mean, the blades themselves, cutting into plaster like this, is going to last a very long time. You're going to get good use. Eventually it will wear, but you're going to get a lot of use out of it. That was great. If there are no more questions, are we good? Okay, it doesn't look like there are any more questions. So at this point, I'd like to start signing out by reminding you to go to our Facebook page or first like our Facebook page. Go to jonard.com/live and enter our contest to win EBW-412 kit. Okay, and anything else I need to say? Oh, I can't read the deadline. There's a deadline for this. The deadline to enter this is by the end of this demo. Okay, let's see. I'll stall for a minute for you guys. Oh, 1:30. Okay, 1:30 p.m. Eastern time is what I'm being told. Okay, that's good. That makes sense. Okay, good luck, everyone. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Thanks.